say goodbye to lost conversations and important files shared through Dropbox. Here's how to get them back. First, let's navigate to the heart of your Dropbox once you're logged into your account on the Dropbox website. Look for the main navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side. Within this menu, you'll find an option labeled Deleted Files. Click this to access a special area where Dropbox temporarily stores items that have been removed. This Deleted Files page acts like a digital recycling bin. Here you'll see a list of files and folders that you or someone with access to your account might have accidentally deleted. Now, find the specific message or file that you need to recover. Simply hover over the item you wish to restore. You should see a Restore button appear right next to it. Click that Restore button. Dropbox will then move the selected item back to its original location, making it accessible to you again in just a few moments. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can retrieve those valuable shared links and keep your important information right where you need it. Never lose important shared information again.